Hi everyone, my name is Lindy and welcome back to my channel, My Fun and Fabulous Life. I have another subscription unboxing. This one I used to get a long time ago, but I'm back at it. It's called Bubbles and Books. I'm trying to do more subscription boxes and this was one of my favorites. I stopped it for a while because I got overloaded and now I'm ready to pick up on it again. So this one is called Bubbles and Books. Looks like this. And I have my notes down here. Now this is a sponsored video by Joy. I'm an affiliate for them, so whoop whoop. And this is a reading and relaxation subscription box. They can go as low as $13.75, but I paid $26.67 for the contemporary romance box because who does not love some romance? And that is this girl. She loves it. Absolutely loves it. Okay, so I'm going to open this box. I had a knife in here. Now I don't know what I did with it. So I just did an unboxing for my paparazzi jewelry on my Facebook Live, and I got a mess in here from that. So let's just jump on into this. Get my pen here. The box, it looks like this. It's just pink paper. Let's see. It says Bubbles and Books. Spring has sprung. Reading and relaxation delivered. Free ebooks and box inventory. So there's a little card. So there's a little card and oh, here we go. You take this little card, this little sticker thing right here, and you put it on here. So every time you get to one of these, you get something free. Super cool. So I'm definitely going to do that. The first thing I pull out, so looks like this, and I see some bath salts. I love bath salts. These are emwho's Bath, Body, and Burn Bath Fizzy Powder, Lavender, Vanilla. Ingredients: Epsom salt, sodium bicarbonate, citric acid, essential oil, and mica powder. Looks like this. This is a, does not tell me how much of the fluid ounce this is. That's a pretty hunkin', it smells like lavender. Ooh, what is this? emwho's Bath, Body, and Burn Zen Bath Tea. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. If you have like scented vision, the tag looks like this, and I'm not lying. That smells so good. Cannot wait to use that. Oh, how cute. It's a succulent soap. emwho's Bath, Body, and Burn Garden Guru soap. It's a succulent. That's really no smell, but how cute is that? Is that succulent? And I see a honey bee. It says Queen Bee's Bath Bomb. It's a honey bee. I don't know if you can see that through the package. It smells so good. How cute is that? I love bath stuff. I love to take a bath. And so does my husband, so I don't know who's going to get to it first, me or him. So here is the book. Lisa Kendall, Walk Me Home. A Silver Lake Ranch novel. Oh, it's a little puppy. How cute. And it says, a fun, feel-good romance between long-lost flames proves it's never too late for love in the small town of Silver Lake. Can't wait to read that, especially if there's a dog. Yes, ma'am. So that includes, I don't see anything else, just a bunch of like little paper things. So that includes my Bubbles and Books subscription unboxing. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, there's a little bell, click that, and you'll be notified every time I post a video. So I have some more subscriptions coming. I hope you have a great evening. Until next time, my friends, thank you and God bless.